Hi everyone, I'm Chelsea from Twinkl Crafts, and today I'm going to be showing you this fab Ramadan Crown craft activity. First, print off the template from the Twinkl Crafts site. There is a link straight to the templates in the description below. We recommend you print these templates onto card for extra strength. The template pack includes two different designs, one with slightly more detail than the other. Choose the Ramadan Crown craft activity for you and start to decorate with felt tip pens, pencils, or even paint. There are also colour templates ready to print, so you could save time and skip this step with our ready to print Ramadan Crown craft activity in colour. Once you are happy with the decorations, cut around the template. You could choose to back this Ramadan Crown craft template onto another piece of card for extra strength. To complete your Ramadan Crown craft activity, cut a strip of card. Use glue or sticky tape to attach it to one side of the crown template. Then measure it around your head to make sure your Ramadan crown will fit. Once you are happy with the size, secure the other end of the strip to the opposite side of the Ramadan Crown template. You have created a wonderful Ramadan crown. We hope you enjoyed making this fun Ramadan craft and see you in your next craft project.